Unleash your inner fashion designer and transform flat sketches into stunning, realistic clothing mock-ups that will wow. First, open Adobe Illustrator and find or download a clothing template, a shirt, hoodie, or whatever garment you want to showcase. For this, we'll use a simple shirt. Now, zoom in on your template. We'll be working with the front view, creating our design and putting it on the garment. Create a new layer. This will be the layer for your design. To keep the template and design separate, name this layer something intuitive, like design. Select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle over the shirt. On the design layer, you can fill it with a color of your choice. Experiment with your design, adjust the size, and play around with the colors until you get something you like. Next, we'll select the design, lower its opacity to 50% to see the template better. Select both your design and the shirt template, then go to Object and select Clipping Mask, then make the design will now appear to be printed perfectly on the shirt. To make it even more realistic, raise the opacity back to 100%, and then apply a drop shadow effect to give your mock-up depth. This step is under the Effect tab. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clothing mock-up ready to be shared. Experiment with different designs and templates to hone your skills and watch your fashion visions come to life. #mockups #fashion design.